On this week's episode of Squincher Outdoors, we're back on Lake Taneycomo, but every time you've seen us in the past, we've been in a boat. But this time, Blake Wilson from Lily's Landing came along, Tracy's here, and we're gonna do some fly fishing, which is crazy because I live right up the hill. We never come down here and wade fish. We've had the coldest stretch of weather in the last couple weeks, and the water has been running nonstop. But today it's off, and we're not the only person in the parking lot, but we're gonna come down here and show you guys how to catch a trout on a fly rod. Blake, what are we going to use this morning?
Oh, let's see. This morning we've got a few different things rigged up, but we're primarily going to focus on midges and the miracle fly.
Midges and the miracle fly. Well, let's get our waders on and let's head on down there and see if we can put one of these slimy trout in your net. I hope you brought a net, because I did not. No net?
I didn't either.
Typical Squincher Outdoors.
I knew I was going to forget something.
I was just kidding. Did you really forget one?
I really did, yeah.
Nice.
Squincher Outdoors would not be possible without the support of these great companies. The Resource Center for Insurance and Financial Solutions. Jim Butler Centralia, where Squincher Outdoors buys all our trucks. Rustic Timbers Furniture for home and office. Baitworks for all your tackle needs. Mossy Oak Properties, find your happy place. Vexus Boats, outfitting your dream your way. Lily's Landing, Branson's top resort and marina. Jewel, the jewel in the crown of champion anglers everywhere. Big Creek Ducks and Bucks for your Arkansas outdoor experience. STS Outdoor Guns and Archery. The difference is the STS man tuned it. Hot Shot Archery. Accuracy defined. Magnus Broadheads. Quality with a lifetime guarantee. Vortex Optics. Closing the distance. Spartan Cameras, so you don't have to be there. HHA Sports. American made, family owned. Dominant Strands, our choice for premium custom bowstrings. Elvish Tack E-Tack Light, the best sight light in the world. Trophy Image, animal nutrition you can trust. And of course, our friends at Squincher, hydration that works.
Man, you guys, this is about the shallowest I've seen Taneycomo in a long, long time. And I mean, these trout are going to be skittish. Blake's going to sneak in here. There's a little bit of water behind the island here, and he's going to see if he can get one back here. But it's probably only a foot deep, but those fish are back here midging in this little pocket. Let's see if he can accidentally catch one back here, and then we'll get started.
I mean, that's amazing you ever get snagged right here.
Do I?
It's amazing that you could ever get snagged right here. You just have to wedge up under one of these big rocks.
Yeah. There we go. Oh, do you have him?
Yep.
Get right on that side so I can film. All right, get on this side. I can film you on this side. You don't want to catch one on the first cast anyway, Blake.
Yeah, no, that's
Just get right there and just go quickly. What do you have on, Blake? A miracle fly?
good. Yellow miracle fly.
Get up there by him so I can get you in the camera. You what? Got that one. Chuck Grease special. Keep going, Tracy. Yeah. Oh, take that little weight off. You probably don't even need it. Do you even have a split shot on yours, Blake? Nothing? You don't need one today. Put your fingernail in it and it'll come right off. Blake is the first one to hook up. That's a brown? Nice.
Did the same thing I did yesterday. Did it bring it over the camera?
Sure.
There he is.
Beautiful.
Beautiful little guys.
All the fly fishermen in Branson are happy today because, like I said, the water's been on for weeks. We've been going through a massive cold front for days and days and days, and they've just been cranking the water even though Table Rock is super low. But that's our first fish right there, and we'll all get going here in a minute. Blake, did he hit it pretty good or just, yeah? Oh, there's another one. I saw that one. Beautiful. Get up there, Tracy. You might have to steal a fly from Blake. A little bit better one, ain't it?
Oh, yeah, you find a little harder. I think it's gonna brown. Nope, rainbow this time.
Rainbow?
My fly box is back there on the ground.
Bring him this way, Blake. Boys in the picture now. Get him, Trace. Oh, I see that bite from back here.
Problem is, Trace is looking for the person that's supposed to be telling him to set the hook.
There you go, Trace. Oh, we got a double.
This is my first trout. 2024.
First fish, 2024.
Embarrassed to admit.
We'll be
I've
embarrassed.
been hunting, all right.
We've been hunting.
Oh, it's Daddy and Mom.
Beautiful, right there.
This was their little section. Sword fight.
No, we didn't.
Blake's is gone. That counted. You touched it. Beautiful. Catch another one, then you'll have to let me catch one.
I think I just about need a second float. I think that miracle fly got heavy. Yeah, looks great.
Oh, that was a good hook set there.
Oh.
That had a little bit of weight behind that one, didn't it?
Yeah. I missed him though. He sucked it straight under.
There you go. He came back and got it.
I found him.
He don't want to come in, does he, Blake?
Nope.
Nice. They call those a miracle fly for a reason.
That's right. It's a miracle how well they work. Might be too shallow right there.
Yeah, you're right up against. Oh, you're right up against that rock.
That's where that fish is.
Nice.
Doubles. Doubles.
Crazy. All right. Tracy, scoot up a little bit. There you go.
Took a little bit of.
Like, how come Tracy's always look bigger?
It's just an optical illusion.
The midge. Just hold it out farther, Tracy.
Gotta love it. I actually get to fish for fun for the first time for 2024 instead of for money. Although I need money right now. Put it. It works every time. Just don't pay attention and they'll bite.
Yep.
It's workable.
Put a new leader on there, Derek. So it'll be fun. Stop using your makeshift leader, man. This is
Eventually you're gonna run out of long night, get it,
This fish has other ideas.
Get him, Blake.
It's not a Labrador. Maybe part.
Well, Blake, this is pretty fun. We're going to see if we can catch a few more, but So we got a little, what do you call that indicator? Just a
It's a pulsa.
pulsa.
Stick-on
And
indicator.
I got a red ruby midge that I got down at the fly shop at Lily's, and I'm gonna turn this sucker loose.
Swim through your own cloud.
Big Creek Ducks and Bucks is Arkansas duck hunting at its best. Located right in the center of the Mississippi Flyway, it's the main pathway through which millions of ducks migrate yearly. With 1,500 acres of flooded green timber plus 7,000 acres of privately owned managed rice, soybean, and milo fields, creeks and sloughs, this creates the perfect habitat for whitetails. Many professional hunters call this the best duck and goose hunting in the country. Book your waterfowl and deer hunt right now by calling 870-816-6023. Come see why Big Creek Ducks and Bucks is the go-to for the Squincher Outdoors team.
Baitworks is Springfield, Missouri's premier tackle shop, owned and operated by fishermen. We carry all the brands, accessories, and knowledge you need to be ready for your next catch. We sell all the top brands like Mega Bass, Strike King, Zoom, Rapala, and hundreds of others. It doesn't matter what region you're from or what season we're in, we've got you covered. Come check out our store in person or visit our website at www.baitworks.com and we'll get you ready for your next fishing adventure.
Squincher Outdoors closed captioning is proudly brought to you by Jewel Bait Company, the jewel in the crown of champion anglers everywhere.
All right, Blake, man, we've had a blast today on Taneycomo with the water off fly fishing. Take just a second and tell everybody what we used and these little foam little jobbies, whatever that goes on.
Yeah. So we'll start with this rod. This was the fly that started off hot this morning and then tapered off pretty quickly, and that's called the Miracle Fly, and that's the yellow one. So we've got 6X Rio fluorocarbon tippet leading off of our Rio 5X leader. And up here, these are called pulsa indicators. They are just a little sticky piece of foam. They come on sheets that look like this. And disadvantage, you got to use a lot of them.
Yeah, you couldn't use a big strike indicator today either, because
No.
I mean, we were only fishing 12, 14 inches deep.
Whenever the water's as shallow as it is right now, you have to, when you present that fly, it has to land on the water soft enough, or else those fish will just spook off.
And they are spooky. Well, Taneycomo's clear.
Yeah,
They can see it. They can see it.
This one is the ruby red midge. It is a king of the midges here on Taneycomo. You talk to some of the other fly shops, that's what they use on their guide trips a lot when they're taking people fly fishing. We had the same setup on this, same tippet, same leader material. Both of these fly lines are made by Rio as well. And this was the TFO Axiom 2, which is another mid-grade.
What weight fly rods are these?
Both of these are 5 weight.
5 weight.
9-foot, 4-piece rods.
So guys, if you're coming to Branson and you want to try fly fishing and the water's off, you can always go down to the Lily's Landing. You can see Blake down there. Blake just got his captain's license this year, so he's going to do some guiding out of the boat. And he said he'll do wade trips. I won't.
Anything. Fly fishing on land, bank, boat.
He's young and hungry. I'm not as hungry as he is. But we'll put Blake's information up at the end of the show if you want to reach out to him. And like I said, you can always go on Lily's website and find all the flies that we used today.
Well,
Perfect,
it was
man.
a blast.
Yeah, appreciate it. You can go back to work.